Why does my iPhone screen keep dimming? Normally, your iPhone display will continue to dim because some settings that automatically adjust screen brightness are enabled, especially auto brightness. In addition to setup issues, software bugs, outdated software, and overheating of the device can also cause the iPhone screen keeps dimming. No matter what the reason is, here we listed some tips to fix iPhone screen keep dimming issue. Keep watching. Tip 1. Turn off auto brightness. How to keep iPhone screen from dimming. Go to Settings, select Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size, scroll down and disable auto brightness. Tip 2. Disable low power mode. Go to Settings, and tap Battery. Turn off low power mode. Tip 3. Switch off night shift. Go to Settings, and tap Display and Brightness. Select Night Shift, switch off Scheduled manually enabled until tomorrow. Tip 4. Toggle off low light mode. Go to Settings, select Accessibility. Tap Zoom. And tap Zoom Filter and select None. Tip 5. Keep iPhone cool down. To keep your iPhone cool, you can stop running apps, turn on airplane mode, and remove the case to see if your iPhone come back to the normal. Tip 6. Restart iPhone. Restart device can fix most software bugs. You can try to restart iPhone to see if the issue fixed. Tip 7. Update iOS. Go to Settings, tap General and select Software Update. Check if there is the Update iOS available. If yes, press Download and Install button to update to the latest iOS software. Tip 8. Reset iPhone. This method would erase all of your iPhone data. Remember to back up your iPhone before take action to reset your iPhone. Tip 9. Use Joyoshare UltFix iOS System Recovery. My iPhone screen keeps dimming. How to fix it? If you want to fix your iPhone screen keep dimming issue without any data loss, Joyoshare UltFix is a good solution for you. It can fix more than 150 iOS problems, protect privacy, and let you use it with peace of mind without worrying about any data loss. Tip 10. Repair iPhone hardware. If all of above-mentioned methods cannot fix iPhone screen keep dimming issue, it might be the hardware issue. You can also go to the local Apple Store or Apple Support website and ask for assistance.